In this video series, I work through a math problem or problems each video. When we write mathematical sentences using statements from some word problems, we get an inequality that we need to solve for x. Let's look at the given problem. Joe's scores on his first 4 quizzes were 95, 93, 80, and 87. What's the minimum score that Joe can get on his next quiz so that his average quiz score will be A, 90 or greater? When we calculate averages, we need to add up all the numbers in the set, then divide it by the number of scores or number of numbers we have. Here, we are given 4 numbers, and we also have to consider the last quiz score that he's going to get on his next quiz. Let's call that score x. Then we can calculate the average of Joe's 5 quiz scores by adding all the numbers together. We add the x because we need to remember to include the score that Joe is going to get on his last quiz. There are a total of 5 quiz scores, so we're going to divide this by 5. And this represents the average of Joe's 5 quiz scores. This statement says that the average of Joe's quiz scores needs to be greater than or equal to 90. So this is the inequality that we need to solve for x. First, let's go ahead and add the 4 numbers in the numerator of the fraction on the left-hand side. We want to add 95 plus 93 plus 80 plus 87. If we look at the ones digit, 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 0 is 8, 8 plus 7 is 15. So we write the 5 and carry the 1. 1 plus 9 is 10, 10 plus 9 is 19, 19 plus 8 is 27, and 27 plus 8 is 35. Next, let's multiply both sides of the inequality by 5 so that we can get rid of the 5 in the denominator. The 5's will cancel out on the left-hand side, leaving us with 355 plus x. On the right-hand side, 90 multiplied by 5 is 450. To get x by itself, we'll subtract both sides by 355. On the left-hand side, 355 minus 355 is 0, and x plus 0 is x. If we subtract 355 from 450, we get 10 minus 5 is 5, and 4, we borrow the 1, 14 minus 5 is 9, and 3 minus 3 is 0. So this tells us that if Joe gets at least a 95 on his next quiz, then he'll end up with an average of A, 90 or greater.